Kanina, kinilig ang mga girls sa rakiterong biritero ng Pangasinan. Ngayon naman, eto na ang Pampangas Best. At kahit mukhang imported siya, ang puso daw niya ay Pinoy na Pinoy.
Ako po si Robert Cosma. I am 38 years old. Ako po ay half Syrian, half Filipino. Nung bata pa ako, ang hirap kong makipag-blend in. Akala nila kasi maputi ka, ganitong itsura mo, akala nila big time ka na, mayaman ka, ganon. Pero bata pa lang kami, we were very poor. And because of my passion and my love for music, doon ko rin nakilala yung aking asawa. Rising Stars, this is an amazing experience for me. So umpisa pa lang, this is what I was born to do. I am Filipino, and I'm damn proud to be one.
Mukhang imported, pero pusong Pinoy talaga. Robert Cosma!
So well, the day that you came into my life, you asked for my name, you had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling all with you right by my side makes me feel things would work out just fine. But how did you know I needed someone like you in my life? You filled up this empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, and I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. You took all the worries and the fears that I held. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love
Give it up for Robert Cosma of Pampanga. Pakinggan natin si Judge Jimmy.
Pards, ang galing mo, Pards.
Thank you po.
Hayop yun. Ang galing nung ginawa mo.
Thank you.
Oo. I think there's nothing to say except let's go to your ano na lang yung what is different, no? Kasi yung pagkagaling mo, ang galing mo na eh. I want you to value your cuteness because I think and that's not ano hindi ano yan hindi pababa yun, pataas yun. Ang ano ang warm ng smile mo and when you let go and when you open your arms, it's very endearing. I think you'll get far dito in this industry, not just the contest. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you
Fantastic.
po. Thank you very much.
Wow! I think someone is here to greet you. Kasama ni Venus.
Nakikita ko kanina, ito si Ate Malu, ang wife ni Sir ay kilig na kilig habang kinakantahan. Ano inyong mensahe para po sa kanya?
Nung una pa, ginagawa mo to para sa pamilya mo. Sana hanggang sa ka makarating, sa pamilya mo pa rin nagagawin mo ito. I love you.
Can I go down the stage?
Go, sige lang. May sorpresa pa to panoorin natin.
Marami tayong pinagdaanan. In nearly 15 years of marriage, I have one thing to ask you. Malu, Kalara, Cosma, please marry me again.
Yes, siyempre yes.
I love you.
At ngayon, dahil buong Philippines nag-aabang na, hindi it's more fun ang trabahong paghuhusga ni na Judge Jimmy, Nina at Papa Jack. At ang unang haharap, si Mark Las Piñas ng Cagayan de Oro.
Mark, sabi ni Judge Jimmy, nung kinanta mo yung May Bukas Pa, believe siya sa'yo dahil kinanta mo yung isang classic OPM song.
Thank you po.
Mark Las Piñas, hindi ka pasok. Pagpatuloy mo yung pagkanta mo.
Thank you po.
Thank you rin.
Sunod na kaagad ang nurse also from CDO na si Rochelle Marie Ubay-Ubay.
Rochelle,
Hello.
hi.
Hi po.
Rochelle, you sang Better Days.
Yes.
Kaya lang, sabi ni Judge Nina, dahil nga medyo mahirap yung kanta, parang hindi mo yata naintindihan or hindi mo masyadong naiparating yung message. Alright, Rochelle? Ikaw ba ay pasok o hindi? I'm sorry, pero hindi ka pasok. Okay, Rochelle, we admire you.
Thank you.
Take care. God bless.
0-2 na! Ano naman kaya ang magiging kapalaran ng Singing Sisters from Baguio City?
Ruby and Rochelle. Unahin natin si Rochelle. Fantastic song. Fantastic performance. According to Judge Nina, kasi sabi niya kahit parang may sipon at ubo ka raw, parang hindi naman niya naramdaman yon. Hindi niya narinig yon. Pero ang comment lang niya, baka naman meron pang mas bagay pa sa iyong kanta. Ikaw naman, Ruby, Buhay Ko, very emotional song. Sabi ni Papa Jack, malinaw, maangas, napakaganda ng delivery mo. Na itawid mo ng maganda. Na kwento mo ng maganda yung kantang yun. So, kayong magkapatid, talagang yung pagmamahalan ninyo, pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa, ang nananaig, di ba? It's a sisterly love that is so true, so profound, so real. Rochelle and Ruby. I am so sorry, but both of you, walang makakalusot sa inyo. We respect you. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
God bless.
Anak, uwi na.
Sana ko yan. Sorry. Kasi medyo malaki yung expectation ng anak ko. Sorry.
On a roll ang pagtanggi ng Rising Stars. Ano naman kaya ang kakaharapin ng Cherise lookalike and sound-alike na si Rochelle Solquillo of Bacolod?
Rochelle, sabi ni Judge Nina, yung pagkanta mo, very controlled yung boses mo and very powerful. In fact, tinanong ka pa nga niya kung idol mo si Cherise. Diba? Sabi mo nga, oo. Huling-huli mo yung mga nuances ng mga ginagawa ni Cherise. Pero sabi niya, careful ka lang kasi baka mawalan ka ng identity. Okay, Rochelle?
Po.
Pasok ka. Congratulations. Okay, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
Sa 5, isa lang ang nakatawid. Ang mga susunod, ano naman kaya ang magiging dahilan ng pag-iyak? Abangan.
Stars Philippines would like to thank Go Hotels, a place for everyone. Atrium Hotel, Center for Pop Music Philippines Incorporated. Bring out a star in your voice. Footworks Dance Studio, Trinoma Mall, Mary Pauline Salon, the Celebrity Salon. B Hotel, simplified living yet with elegance and exceptional service. Star Mall